Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that continues to shape the way we teach and learn in our modern, post-pandemic world, the OMNI-Modal Learning Experience Model, or OLEM, by Dr. Carl E. Balita. The pandemic may have accelerated the adoption of virtual learning, but its lessons remain deeply relevant. As we move forward, classrooms are evolving into blended spaces where physical and digital environments coexist. The OMNI-Modal Learning Experience Model provides a flexible and inclusive framework to optimize learning in both digital and blended classrooms. Let's explore how it works. The OMNI-Modal Learning Experience Model is built on a strong foundation of theories, models, and research. Let's talk about some of these key foundations. Digital literacy. In today's classrooms, digital literacy isn't optional. It's the ability to access, manage, and create information safely and effectively through digital technologies, a critical skill in both digital and blended learning setups. Digital intelligence. This goes beyond using devices. It's about developing social, emotional, and cognitive abilities to navigate the digital experiences that are now part of everyday learning and collaboration. Technology acceptance model. TAM tool. Understanding why teachers and learners adopt or resist new technologies remains crucial. Factors like perceived usefulness and ease of use still shape how effectively we integrate technology into modern classrooms. These foundations ensure that OLEM remains relevant as we blend physical and digital teaching spaces. Let's take a closer look at some teaching models that continue to inspire OLEM in today's classrooms. SAMR model. This model helps us evaluate how technology integrates into our teaching. Whether we're substituting traditional methods or redefining learning experiences entirely, SAMR remains a valuable tool for modern educators. TPACK framework. In blended classrooms, balancing technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge is more important than ever. TPACK ensures we align our tools with effective teaching strategies and subject content. 5E model. Engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. These phases guide us in designing active, inquiry-based learning experiences that work across digital and physical settings. These models continue to enrich OLEM, helping us create adaptable and impactful learning experiences. Now, let's focus on the learners. The Omni learners of today are not just adapting to blended learning, they're thriving in it. These students from Generation Z and Alpha are digital natives. But even with their tech-savvy nature, it's our job to guide them in developing 12 key competencies, including competent individuality refers to the functional knowledge, skills, attitude, and values that dynamically emanate from the unique nature of the individual person, which was recognized and nurtured by the learning experiences. Opportunity-seeking development mindset refers to the self-driven and internally motivated lifelong learning mindset which the person assumes as his personal responsibility. Metacognitive design thinking refers to the nonlinear iterative problem-solving ability using the thinking above thinking process. Purpose-driven vision refers to the person's ability to project self towards an ideal state of the future anchored on the discovery of life purpose. Emotional competence refers to the self-awareness, mastery, and regulation of feelings and its accompanying biological state and thought, and the action tendency derived from the feelings. Transdisciplinarity refers to the person's ability to navigate across disciplines and to be able to adapt and function productively to new environments and culture without losing self-identity. Ethico-moral integrity refers to the integrative value system guided by a universally acceptable standards of behavior, not as a limiting pressure for compliance, but as an evolving purpose-driven thinking, decisions, and action. Novel adaptive thinking refers to the ability to engage in deep thinking and complex mental process to create new solutions towards continuous improvements. Collaborative sense of community refers to one's belongingness to a community collaborating in synergy with its members. Innovative entrepreneurism is the passionate use of risk-taking creativity and innovation in providing solution to a need and want towards a sustainable delivery of a product or service beyond profit. Ethno-cultural fluency is a deep sense of respect and tolerance of the ethnicity and cultural diversity that leads to its preservation and enrichment. Spiritual sense-making is the purpose-driven use of the intellect and free will to choose one's belief, expression, and practice of spirituality towards meaningful existence above humans' physical nature. These competencies are grouped into 3 categories. Having, the essentials learners need to succeed. Being, the characteristics they demonstrate and apply. Becoming, the continuous growth they achieve through meaningful learning experiences. In blended classrooms, these competencies ensure learners are equipped for the future. Now, let's talk about the Digital Teacher acronym, a guide to the strategies within the OMNI-Modal model. Each letter in digital stands for a key role or action that ensures meaningful learning in today's classrooms. Let's break it down. D. Define the desired outcome. Outcome. Transition. This step focuses on setting clear, measurable goals that guide the learning process. Communicating these outcomes to students helps create a shared understanding, enabling a smooth transition into focused learning. I. Integrate within and across curriculum. Outcome. Engagement. Integration makes learning relevant by connecting subjects and ideas. Horizontal integration links topics across disciplines, while vertical integration builds knowledge progressively, fostering student engagement. G. Generate available resources. Outcome. Alignment. This step involves utilizing all available resources, including digital tools and student creativity. Aligning these resources with the learning outcomes ensures that students have what they need to succeed. I. Initiate learning community. Outcome. Collaboration. Building a learning community extends collaboration beyond the classroom. It provides a support system where students can work together, share ideas, and learn collectively. T. Transform to facilitator. Outcome. Helping relationship. Teachers shift from being sole knowledge providers to facilitators, guiding students to take charge of their learning. This supportive role fosters independence and confidence. A. Application towards authentic learning. Outcome. Enrichment. Encouraging students to apply what they've learned in real-world scenarios bridges theory and practice. Authentic tasks make learning meaningful and enriching. L. Lead assessment and evaluation. Outcome. Reflection. Reflective assessments help students internalize their learning, identify areas for growth, and recognize their progress. Teachers use these insights to further enhance instruction. Together, these steps create a circular, dynamic process that adapts to the needs of both digital and blended learning environments. The Digital Teacher framework ensures that no aspect of the learning process is overlooked, making it a powerful tool for modern educators. So, that's the OMNI-Modal Learning Experience Model and the Digital Teacher framework. These tools are designed to help us navigate the complexities of modern education, whether in physical, digital, or blended classrooms. As educators, we have the incredible opportunity to guide our students toward meaningful growth and lifelong learning. Let's continue to inspire, innovate, and create environments where all learners can thrive. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Take care and happy teaching.